Advanced Antioxidant, Vitamin C Serum for Face. Review. Disclaimer. The statements referenced here have not been evaluated by the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure or prevent any disease or health condition. The information is provided for general informational and educational purposes only, and is not a substitute for professional advice. Since everyone's health and body condition is different, please note that the results may vary. The efficacy of the product is entirely dependent on the health condition of the person using the product, and does not represent or guarantee that anyone will achieve the same or similar results. TruSkin Naturals, Vitamin C Serum for Face, Pros and Cons. Efficacy of Vitamin C Serum for Face, by TruSkin Naturals. Overview of Vitamin C Serum for Face, by TruSkin Naturals. Professional Facial Serum with Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E. Are you looking for professional, anti-aging serum for face? Vitamin C, Advanced Antioxidant Serum, with Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin E, is a popular serum for face. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Advanced formula, designed to target the most common signs of aging, including brightness, firmness, fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and sunspots. By using the serum, you can expect brighter, fresher-looking skin, improved tone and clarity, smaller pores, less breakouts, fine lines and dark spots. Plant-based formulation is designed to stimulate natural collagen production by the body. Free of synthetic color additives, fragrance, and stabilizers. Is made of 98% natural, 72% organic, vitamin C 20%, vitamin E plus hyaluronic acid. Ingredients: organic aloe vera, vitamin C, MSM, botanical hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, vitamin E, carbenes, amino acid, organic gotu kola, wild-crafted dandelion and geranium, organic jojoba oil, phenoxyethanol, ethylhexylglycerol. Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free product. This product is not tested on animals, and is properly listed in the product details as cruelty-free. Great money saver big 2-ounce bottle. Formulated and bottled in the USA. Use it on your neck and around the eyes, to improve your fine lines. 90-day manufacturer guarantee, contact for a 100% money-back refund, absolutely no questions asked. Based on over 9,880 customer reviews, and an overall 4.3-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular vitamin C serum for face, by TruSkin Naturals. Here is what some of the customers have to say about it. The results are unbelievable. Was a bit skeptical because all the reviews were from Caucasian women. I was slightly worried that my skin would not respond as well, but I was quite mistaken. With or without makeup, my skin is bright, smooth and my spots are disappearing. One other result I am sure a number of people have not noticed is that your palms get softer too. I guess the residue on the palms makes it soft and supple. Says, Mayo 40 years old but look 30 thanks to Vitamin C Serum. My search for an amazing serum is finally over. I just purchased my 3rd bottle, and I am hooked. My skin looks flawless, and I have been getting so many compliments about how great I look. My skin glows as if I just walked out of a spa treatment. A little goes a long way. The bottle usually lasts me about 3.5 months. I use it every morning and every night. Thank you for his amazing product. Says, Jamie Handley. I have been using this serum twice a day for the last 5 weeks, and I have a mixed opinion. My skin is overall much more healthy and glowy. However, I got this product for the purpose of getting rid of a dark sunspot on the bridge of my nose, and it has not helped diminish that at all. It's not any lighter or smaller. I also use this serum on my forearms which also have sun damage, and it has not helped to diminish that at all either. So, overall I think this is a great product for your skin, but it doesn't help with sunspots at all. Says, Landolfi. I have used this twice so far. I'm 31 with some fine lines. I'm using this as part of a Korean skincare routine. The product seems to work, but it's slightly sticky and doesn't blend in as well as other serums I've used. 2 weeks of use, I have noticed little difference in my skin after using this product for a while. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this for an anti-wrinkle regimen. Says, Jayati. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.